Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Zulfikar. I am from Unit H of 6th semester student English department. So I want to present you here about instructional media and puzzle. This is the link. I will log in. As a teacher, we can log in as teacher or student, but here I want to log in as a teacher. This application only can access by internet signal. The benefit of this application is very good. You can save some video to develop student listening skill or student speaking skill by watching the video from the YouTube. You can choose whatever at puzzle, national geographic, whatever. So here I want to use this video. This application we can edit video, we can crop video. For example, I want to take the first minutes of the video. We can also add some audio track. We can also add audio notes, or we can add some quiz to assess student understanding about the video. Okay, we can set whatever here. The benefit of this application also to assess student homework. This is, for example, the video is for student homework by whatever. Okay, I want to finish this. You can add class, for example, and then we can send only. You can also add some due dates. For example, okay, here the benefit also, this application totally practical to students, and in this century I think the internet can be accessed by everyone and everywhere. So this is my application. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.